Mistake. I sometimes mistake my twin for his brother. I am mistaking your kindness for pity, perhaps, right now. I have just mistaken the salt for sugar. I have been mistaking his silence for anger all week. I mistook a stranger for an old friend yesterday. I was mistaking the map for the menu when you left. I had mistaken the date before I checked the calendar. I had been mistaking the symptoms for a cold for days before the diagnosis. I will not mistake your name again tomorrow. I will be mistaking faces all evening at the crowded party. I will have mistaken every twin by the end of the reunion. By tonight, I will have been mistaking these lookalikes for hours.